I think it's amazing. First of all, the Tennis Premier League is in Ahmedabad. This format is very exciting because every point is so crucial. You can't take it lightly, and the momentum can shift every second. And even though we had won those two matches comfortably, the third match, Dan Evans brought it back pretty close, and then we have to make sure that we are not. Letting go a big lead, and it's an exciting format. Anybody can come back at any time, and it's fun to watch.
When it comes to matches and when it comes to games and everything, Commonwealth Games is coming to Ahmedabad.
No, I think it's amazing that such a magnitude of the games are coming to India, and especially in Ahmedabad. I think Ahmedabad is a city now really encouraging sports, and to have a event like Commonwealth Games right here, I think will be boost not only the city but the entire country, and also all athletes from different sports get an opportunity now to represent their country in India itself, and otherwise we're always traveling, and it's been a long time since Commonwealth game was there in India, and tennis unfortunately doesn't happen very often in Commonwealth Games. Last time it did happen, and I'm hoping that tennis does take place here in Ahmedabad, and I think it's going to be amazing that we need more events like this, and thanks to the entire government who has brought this initiative, and it's really I think encouraging for everyone here in the country.
So Srivalli is playing with you now in the team. What do you have to say about her? She's one of the upcoming talents in the ecosystem. Something about her performance?
No, I think she's got a great game, great talent, and these players need that support. For a player like her who's playing at that level, unfortunately, doesn't even have a coach to travel with. So, we as a country, we as a government, federation, corporates need to come together to help, players like this. Even Sahaja, when she's traveling, unfortunately don't have even coaches to travel with, and this is where I think we need to make a change and help our players who are currently slowly coming up, and then give them a great opportunity to go ahead.
आपने अपने करियर में अलग-अलग खिलाड़ियों के साथ खेला है, क्या आपको लगता है कि मिक्स डबल टेनिस की स्टाइल पे समय उसके साथ बदली है?
No, of course, there's a mixed doubles format has been changed over the years. Sometimes, at Wimbledon it was to be best of 3 sets. Now it is, deuce point, no ad scoring, and 10-point tiebreak. It has become a faster pace format, but again, it's great fun to watch for all the people coming out there, and I've always enjoyed playing mixed doubles.